So I'm just outside I'm Chinatown, and I'm just gonna go for a little walk now. I'm gonna go down to Talad Noi. Now what I might do is I might go to Mother Roaster, which is a coffee place down here as well. But I'll just film as I go along here, and we'll see. Oh, there's some photos here and drawings, I guess. And there's some activities with motorcycles, as you would imagine. So here's a lot of the graffiti on the walls. So now we're in Talad Noi. Oh, I cannot remember this building being here. I'm sure it was, but I can't remember. Here's another little map, tourist attraction of Marine Department. So what I'm trying to do now is to show you guys a little bit, and hopefully when you come to Bangkok, you want to come here. This is a very, I mean, you can find, like I said, 1,050,000 videos about this. So it's not something unique to my channel. I just want to show you guys some of the things that I and we do when we're in Bangkok. Now, this here is actually the famous turtle car. Well, a painting of it. So we're gonna go past that car later on. So we'll see the actual car. If you YouTube it, you will find again like 1 million videos about showing the car. So this is a very nice area to come and walk around. It's some beautiful art. Some people say it's very touristy, and I guess that's true. Because you could also walk down there. Okay, there's a cat. I'm not walking down there. I'm terrified of cats for some reason. So look at this nice old building. So this is part of right outside Chinatown. No entry, fair enough. So I think this is the Mother Roaster. I think it is, yeah. Yeah, so here's the Mother Roaster. Doesn't seem to be open. Or maybe it is open. I just had coffee at that Leap Cafe, which was really nice. And here is the, oh, I heard someone saying foreigner. That was probably me. Oh, cool. Here's right here. There's a shrine, the Han Wong Kong Shrine. It's the Hakka shrine built by Loshin. Yeah, you can read it yourself. Okay, people going about their business. And here is the shrine. So yeah. Now right behind here in front is the river. And when I say the river, I mean Chao Phraya River. This is the main river in Bangkok. Here's some more art. I guess I'm the wrong side here. Oh, boy, sir, that was me. Oh, it's very hot, by the way. So I'm gonna go, yeah, that's where I'm gonna go actually, and sit by the river a little bit and have a nice beverage. The Hong Siang Hong. It's a very cool place. You'll see what I mean when we get there. So for those of you coming next year, we'll go there. It's a really, really nice place. It's like a cafe and art museum or whatever. here's this one. So apparently this is a restaurant as well. Nope, it used to be a restaurant. Now it's closed for renovation. It says. I wonder if that is an accurate thing, or it does seem like it's in need of some repair work. But yeah, it's a very nice, cool old building though. So we're just walking down this alleyway here, and we're gonna come up to a very nice place here, which I actually haven't been in. Again, we tried to get in here a couple of years ago, but it was closed when we walked past here, and we couldn't be bothered waiting. And I'm assuming it's closed now as well. Well, I assumed wrong. It is open. It opens at 9. Okay, so yeah, it's been open for 40 minutes. Now, this is a very cool place. It's called So Hang Thai, and there are drinks and snacks inside. So this is a really nice place. It does say it's private property, so there's a 50 baht entrance fee. Now, as we're walking down here, we're pretty quickly gonna run into the turtle car. Whoa! So the turtle is right over there. So we'll see the turtle. See the turtle. So there's obviously people living here, and here is the turtle car. As you can see, we're not the only ones here. So this is pretty. It's a bit of a bummer that they put stickers on it, I think. But this is the turtle car. So, like again, you've seen this in a million YouTube videos, but this is the turtle car down here at Talad Noi. There's another really nice. Okay, now I get it. Okay, so we'll continue our little tour. I know where to go, so I'm not too worried about getting lost. I mean, there's all these small alleyways here. And we're gonna go left here. Okay. The guy wasn't going there. So we'll try to stay in the shade because it's quite warm. It's not even 10 o'clock and it's gotta be, I don't know, it's very hot. It's gonna be over 30 degrees. Oh, here's another. These are very nice. Oh yeah, this is where I'm supposed to go. So we go down here, and there's like a little shop right here, isn't it? Yeah, it's that tea place. Oh, I wonder if they have, well, they probably do have a cool. Okay, so people are living here as well, and there's a hotel, I would think, or apartment, or it's called Riverview Residence. And now we're gonna come to this photo place. So let's see here. Oh, the photo cafe, that's what it's called. There's no outside food or drink. Okay. So, let's see here. Photo hostel and photo cafe. So I guess you could rent a room here. Nice hand-painted elephant statues from Chiang Mai. Have a look at our shop inside the photo cafe. Welcome. Actually, that is nice. Whoa. So here's another map. There's a nice man waving. This is pretty cool. So we're just walking past here and it's beautiful. Hello. Oh, there's some bicycle riders who are riding past here. I don't know about that. It's awfully hot to do in the city. But I wonder where they're going now. Maybe I should go the same way. Probably should. There's some more here. Talad Noi. Hey, wait. Didn't I come from Talad Noi? We'll see how we do. If I'm actually just going in circles here. This is going to be interesting. Yeah, I know where I am. So this is down by the river. Or is it? Alright. Don't feed the pigeons. Fair enough. Okay, so that's over where I was sitting. And now we'll just walk down here and see what happens. Alright. Probably someone's house, so I don't want to film too much or be too intrusive. I wonder where I'm gonna get now. I don't know, I might have ended up somewhere. I'll have to walk back. No, this is a... Oh, in fairness, there's no signs here. So I don't know where I can go, and it seems like this would be the way. Doesn't it? I don't know. I always feel a bit awkward filming and walking because people do live here, obviously. So, what is around the next? Well, that wasn't too scary. So, this is apparently a temple. I really should have known. Oh, there's a monk. I want to film the gentleman if he doesn't want to do that. Okay, so I'm just walking out here and getting to the main street. I don't know exactly where I am, but it's not very, I'm not exactly very lost here. So, there's cars coming, so just hang around here. Oops. Okay. So I'm getting out to the road here, and this is called Kanon Trinimit. Because I've been here before, sort of. So I gotta check the map, but I think that is a temple I saw earlier. I went up there. So now I'm gonna head up towards Yawarat, the main road. It's right up here. You can see the main road up here. That's Yawarat. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna cross there and just go straight up there. And go back to the hotel. Okay, so for those of you who are paying close attention to where I am now, this is actually where I crossed over in the beginning of the video. So now I've come full circle and I'm heading back towards, I just walked down this road here. And now I'm just heading back up towards the hotel. I'm actually gonna try to cross the street here. And see, so the hotel is up here somewhere, and I'm just gonna cross here and go left, and then we'll see. There's a bit of traffic obviously, but that happens, so we'll see. All right, so here we go. That was easy. A nice lady waved me over, so I'm just crossing back to the, so this is the I'm Chinatown shopping mall. And you can see the Asai up there, which is the name of the hotel. And I'm just gonna go up here, which is the entrance to the hotel. when we came, we had to drive down there and park the car in the basement and show the video of that earlier. And if you can see here in the background, this is the entrance to the hotel. You can see the Asai hotels. The logo right there. So the logo is right there. And this is the, I guess, where you can be dropped by the curb. And also here is some pretty nice art. And it's made of recycled plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then the elevators are over here. And yeah, so that concludes the walkabout this morning. And I will see you guys later.